Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to download Starlight and how to install mods. So let's get started. First, you need to have Among Us installed. Now open your browser. Enter All of Us Among Us. Go to GitHub and click on All of Us Discord. Make all steps to verify. Go to Announcements and click on link allofus.dev/starlight.html. Scroll down and click Download APK. Now download Starlight. And open it. Here you have 4 pages, and on top Settings, Ko-Fi and Discord. Open Settings, Starlight, and turn on Show Starlight button. You can use dynamic color. It will make your app blue themed instead of yellow. You can also go to About page. Look, I'm here. Now go to Account. And here you need to make one more thing before that. Go to accounts.innersloth.com. Merge your Google Play Store account and itch.io account if you don't have. Create one. It's needed to verify your Starlight account. Now if you have Among Us on PC and you want to have your progress on your phone, just merge your Steam or Epic account. If you done that, go to Starlight account and click Login. Log to your itch.io account and click Authorize Among Us. This pop-up will show up. Select Starlight and click just once. Remember to set your default browser to Chrome or it may not work. Now if you done everything correctly, you should see your account name and profile picture. I choose Modded EU and NA and Nico EU and NA because I don't play on Asia. You can also delete regions that you don't want. Now go to Explore. Choose any mod. I will go with Launchpad because it was made by Starlight developers. Click Install. Create a profile. Choose the name you want and you can also enter the author. Now go to Home, select your profile and click Launch. Loading screen will show up. Wait a bit. And Among Us should load with mods. You can create a lobby, set your settings, or go to practice and have fun with new roles. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. It will really help. Comment if you want more tutorials like that.